Okay, match starting, goddammit.
Alright, we need to fucking... Don't be noobs, okay?
Yep.
Why?
Did he say rush B?
I think he said rush B.
Oh, he said yes. Okay, slow. Oh shit!
I'm not walking slow.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
How the fuck are you dead?
The guy came from the other side. He came from behind. I think you should just like rush. Oh.
Oh, I could be bad as fuck.
Wait, did you die?
Yeah.
We basically lost this, didn't we?
No.
I think when I'm like starting this game, I always imagine that I'm like from car. I'm like ran up.
What are you doing, mate?
Stealthing.
Fuck stealth. Okay, fuck my life.
Oh my god, you're on the first place. That's where we know we're fucked.
Oh, fuck no. Well, GG guys, WP. I have the bomb now. No, go fuck yourself. I'm not gonna have the bomb. You take it.
Why do I have it? Why should I? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna take full responsibility for fucking us.
For what?
Fucking us up. I just like got something in my throat, so I Yeah, Patty, we did that together.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for that earache, guys. By the way.
I'm really sorry, guys. Yeah.
Yeah, MVP.
Yeah. It was me.
And my face is up there too.
Oh my god, you killed 3 people.
Yeah, I'm not bad anymore. Oh! Sniper cunt.
What? Oh my god, you couldn't even see him. How?
I don't even know where he is. Oh, sick, mate.
He's behind the box. Wow, he's gonna get fucked this time.
Sick, mate.
2 against 3.
Oh my god, this guy. This fucking guy. This fake.
Wow, but I must say, I give him 10 points for trying. I think I'm checking AVP. Oh my god, you stop that.
No. It's just disgusting.
Looks so ugly.
Ah! Sniper cunt again.
I don't want to go. Oh my god.
You can hear his little feet. Oh!
Damn, I sounded so Russian. Like
The auto cunt. Yes!
Oh my god.
Holy shit, that was awesome.
Pro on our team. Faggots.
That was awesome. Oh god, that fucking ear rape.
So.
Yes. Oh, that's that guy.
Okay.
And there's another guy. He's to the right, inside that door. Oh shit. Holy fuck, mate.
I didn't even hit him.
Oh god, the best thing was that I could see, I could see the teammates through your vision, and I could just see him coming around the corner, and I was like, oh, he's gonna fuck him up so bad. I didn't even warn you.
Oh my god, you're such an asshole. I would feel so bad.
Oh my god, man.
Fuck the whole team up.
Oh my god, dude, you both have snipers, we're going to die.
What? No, we're gonna win. Oh, surprise. Oh no!
As I said, we're going to die.
How? I accidentally sat down. Why did I do that? Oh my.
Oh well. GG.
Oh my god. Why don't we just plant it here? Like, right here. That's all it takes.
Well, terrorists are stupid, mate. You obviously see that all the time on the ISIS.
From behind. From behind. Behind.
To the banana. Holy shit, that clutch. Oh! Oh, I thought you were going to get him.
I was like in very concentrated mode. Like I didn't say anything because I was so concentrated.
I can understand that.
Ah, damn. My heart was beating really fast.
You didn't say anything at all.
We're gonna lose. Every time we record, we lose.
Yeah, you don't even...
No,
it's not even a lie.
Shit. We just shit at this game. Okay,
Just
okay,
get it.
we're 2 against maybe 5 if they all are going B.
Nah, it's fine.
Stop still. You're standing in the middle.
It's fine.
You like stand in the middle of everything. Ah, it's fine. Oh shit.
It's fine. I want that gun. Where did it go? Where did that fucking gun go? It's right there. It's mine. That's mine. Sniper gun. I can't even fucking... Oh, it's there. Okay. That's not unfair at all. Well, at least we fucking destroyed them a little bit.
Yeah, we destroyed that one. Yeah!
Woo! Oh my god. What? I couldn't even hear what he said. Yeah, that sniper cunt is there again. Oh my god, how the... Yes.
Nice.
But what the fuck did he say?
I don't know. I think he talked shit about it. I'm not sure.
Hey, you talking shit? You talking shit?
You wanna fight up?
You wanna fucking 1v1 me? 1v1 me on Rush, you fucking faggot.
Yeah. Right, yeah, totally. So it's totally that. This is totally the game, man. Faggot.
He's right around that corner. Oh shit. Green is me, by the way. You fucking faggot.
Oh yeah, you're green. I forgot. What you just... We are fucking noobs.
We're fucking the noobs, mate.
Yeah. Just to be an asshole, I'm just gonna do this. Then I'm gonna explode. Then I'm gonna go this way. Then I'm gonna throw one here. Then I'm gonna go this way. And then I got a little tactic, and then I'm gonna look around.
Then you're going to die.
Then I'm gonna be ready. Oh god, we lost the bomb. God damn it.
We haven't lost the bomb. Oh! Okay, we've lost the bomb. He's inside that door, by the way.
Surprise!
Holy shit. What the fuck was that shit?
When did he fall level 2?
You just fucking jumped and just destroyed him. Jump surprise! Okay, that surprise didn't work.
It's always him. I can never hit him.
It's always that guy.
And that guy Leox Gorilla got problems with killing him too. Oh damn.
Oh, yes.
That is fun. Damn.
Destroyed.
Nice job. Oh my god. Take it there. Make a comeback. Oh my god. Damn.
Oh, please, no,
I
mate.
want that.
That would be so bad. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh!
Damn reflexes, man.
That's some nice hacks, man.
Yeah, but the way he's flipping out, yeah. You can see it on the way he was like, oh, what the fuck.
What the fuck? Oh shit, we have to win 8 more times.
Ah, shit. This is gonna be hard.
Oh my god. Okay, we have to win this. We can't screw around. We have to win.
What? Like, we did 2-1 before, we're like, shit. That's the only explanation. We are shit.
We are not shit, god damn it. Okay. Hey, guess what? You're not alone.
Damn it, now I can't.
That's an AVP faggot. Oh my! Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. There's only one guy left, please. If you fuck up because you have AVP, I'm going to fucking... Okay. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, well, luckily. Oh my god, mate. Wait, did you shot me? You shot me, you fucking faggot.
That's why you died so fast. I accidentally shot you.
Oh my god, I could have survived. You didn't fucking shoot me.
I
my god. I can't get over that. Oh. He got backstabbed. I thought we were playing CSGO, not fucking tier 2.
He's banana.
Sorry.
He's taking the bottom. I'm planning on B.
No one defending the bottom.
I was, but everyone left. Fucking idiots.
Why didn't I
Yes.
In front, down.
Oh yes.
He's gonna make it. He made it. No. Oh! 1 second!
So unlucky. Okay, you know what? I am gonna go the biggest asshole mode ever. I'm taking dual Berettas and I'm gonna kill someone.
That's probably the worst idea you've ever had. Just saying.
Oh, trust me, I've had worse. I'm gonna go P now. B.
Oh my god, I'm so... Why am I so bad? Oh my god. I think he fucking left. He fucking left, oh my god.
I'm back.
Oh, okay, you're back, okay.
Oh damn. I am so good at timing.
Totally.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Really? That
Holy
fire? Okay.
Okay, I thought he was going to fucking headshot both of them.
Still, that was pretty awesome. He like rigged half the team maybe. Oh, this is last round.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Fuck.
Just use all of your shit.
Oh, you know, I'm gonna take FAMAS and I'm gonna take a decoy. I'm gonna throw it right in there. It should all go together.
Yeah, you're probably right. But yellow is like, nah, fuck that.
Yeah, actually we need him. But yeah, shit happens. Paddy, if I shoot now, I'm gonna hit you. Okay, yeah, he got me too.
How the fuck is he
Wow, they AVP'd up the whole fucking team.
Oh my god, mate. Yeah, we've lost. GG. Fucking
GG.
fucking fantastic.
We're like the only one who doesn't have badges.
Yeah, but it's actually true.
Oh my god. That's probably why we're shit.
Yeah, we're so bad. God fucking damn it.